One thing that you're definitely going to want to take a look at is how to adjust what notifications are going to be sent to your Gmail, or if you want to receive text messages. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on my name, go to settings, and I'm going to notice in settings, my account settings and notifications. I click on the notifications tab, and I'm going to notice that I have the option to turn on or off or make custom settings for notifications on my dashboard, as well as on my email. So this email would send to your Wilton PES account every time, for example, a course update was made by a teacher. You may want to turn this off because your email mailbox may become overloaded. You also have the option to add your cell phone number here to send text messages every time you get a notification. Once again, you want to read through these carefully to think about when and what types of notifications you want to receive. Now, I strongly recommend that you leave the group update posted. So if you're in a club or activity or sport, or in your graduating class want to know about prom, this would be a good one to leave on because you'll get a Schoology notification, but also an email to your Gmail account. It is also important to leave the school updates on. And that's something very important for you to know when there's a major announcement across our school. And after you make your adjustments, please remember you need to click Save Changes.